Today we're going to talk about how to make cradle for your... What? Not this kind of cradle. Oh, no, this is not mine. This is just a friend's. I'll just get rid... Funny story. I'm sorry. Today we are going to break down a cradle, demystify it, so that you can actually understand what is going on. We're going to look at different variations of cradles. We're going to see how it works, and hopefully show you the concept so you can make your own cradle variations. So without further ado, YouTube people say that all the time. What should I say? Let's hop like a bunny and start doing cradles. Let's go. Cradles, what are they for? They're for putting babies in, right? So, whenever I want to make a cradle for a baby, I have to get some material, and then I have to anchor it on somewhere, and then I have to hook it up. Okay, now I have to grab the baby, and I have to put it in there, making sure it's comfortable. But if I have no control over it, it'll just fall out. So I have to make sure it's controlled. And where it's at is in a certain point where it's all controlled, the controlled point. So, that's the cradle tutorial. Alright, so, we gotta get the bed. We have it anchored on one hand. And if you notice, the bed had a loop, so this is gonna have a loop too. That's gonna be our anchor loop. Our anchor loop is going to go bloop, anchored on the wall. That point of anchor is going to be our cradle anchor because it's holding up our cradle. This is going to be our bed, but we're going to call it the cradle loop. In rope dart, whenever we're doing a wrap, the wrap can either be an open wrap or a closed wrap. With the cradle loop, it can be either closed or open whenever we're doing it. Closed cradle loop, open cradle loop. Closed cradle loop, open cradle loop. Now we got the bed established, we need to put the baby in the bed. So if we put the baby in the bed, we're just gonna go ahead and do that. I think it's broke its head. Call 911. So we have to establish some control over that baby. Bad baby. Put it in the bed, and we hold on to it so it don't fall out. Have the bed up. And this is our control anchor. So there's two anchors on the anchor loop. The point that it's laying in is the control point, and those are the components that make up a cradle. Now, would you believe me if I said the exact process is the same whenever we build a cradle doing rope dart? Watch this. First, we build the cradle. We anchor the cradle. Grab the baby. properties of the cradle that, quite frankly, borderlines quantum. Let's put the anchor up for the cradle. When we look at this right here, if we twist it, no matter what, if we let go, it'll just untwist itself. It can have as many twists, it won't affect the dart. But that also means if none of them matter, then all of them exist at the same time. Here's what I mean. Whenever we put the baby in, we're crossing the path one way. It only happens once, but it is also happening twice at the same time. Because if all twists exist, then this twist right here exists, therefore allowing the dart to cross both times. Therefore, whenever we're doing a cradle, we can either make the cradle by crossing it over once, or pulling it through. And no matter how many crosses there are, it doesn't matter. It'll all get undone. It's like the double slit experiment. Going through a slit and it's both at the same time and none of it at all. Now here's another crazy thing about cradles. If we set the cradle up and we hook it over here, if you notice, if you just look at it, all that is a circle here on the top with a twist, and it's going over, and all I have to do with this hand is to grab the cradle anchor, and that becomes the cradle. We have found the fastest way to make a cradle. Hold, twist, pull. Cradle. That cradle was invented by Cassidy. Link to his craziness in the description. Now, for someone who wants to learn a cradle and plateau there, this is the easiest way. Make a loop and either reach through it and pull it halfway, or put it through halfway. So why break cradles down then? Knowing how something works enables the ability to redefine the parameters, allowing new creations. Learning by replication can only take you as far as what is being replicated. Actually, instead of talking, why don't I show you why?
So I got a dream that I'm gonna be at the top of the scene. On every screen, making my presence something to be seen, yeah. I'll make them all see that I could be anything I wanna be. If you got a dream, then you need persistence and lots of belief, yeah. Yo, don't take that negative energy, I replace that. I just wanna be me, I don't fake that. I just wanna be free, yeah, chase that. I got a new obsession, it's helping and teaching and giving everyone a lesson. It's living and winning and building something that's impressive. I don't wanna do the same thing, I wanna be progressive, So I'ma make a new me, a new beast, a true fiend. He's everything that he wants to be. Look in the mirror, what he wants to see is a dude looking back at me. I stay on track, yeah, track things. I'm setting goals, life hacking. I'm steady stacking. I see myself being happy. A better me with a strategy that I'm attacking. To the test and you know I'll ace that. Hit me in the face and I'm hitting right back. I enjoy the chase, so I'll stay on track, yeah. I enjoy the race, so I'll make that bag. Got a lot of dreams that I'll make come true. Got a lot of things that I wanna do. Got a lot of goals that I wanna prove. And there's not a lot of time, so I gotta make moves. Got things that I wanna do. I got plans, got schemes that I follow through. I make all my gains from what I produce. I don't lose, I learn, don't get confused. Peace in the dark, cause I work fucking hard. So many nights sitting in the graveyard, cause they lost to the grind, but that's fine, that's a start. To do something great, sacrifice is a part of it. It's just the start of it. You can't start then quit. You have to harness this, cause energy is bliss. And when I swing, I miss, but then I swing and hit. So I'ma swing again, and I'ma swing again. Then I'll be taking off, cause I don't wait or pause. I got the game unlocked, I never mind the clock. I take the last shot, I got a fast cross. Villain energy, cause I'm the last boss. Test and you know I'll ace that. Hit me in the face and I'm hitting right back. I enjoy the chase, so I'll stay on track, yeah. I enjoy the race, so I'll make that bag. Got a lot of dreams that I'll make come true. Got a lot of things that I wanna do. Got a lot of goals that I wanna prove. And there's not a lot of time, so I gotta make moves.
Part 2 of this 2-part cradle series will delve into rap cradles and some of the crazier variations that I, myself, have come up with, as well as some from the Cradle King himself, Cassidy, otherwise known as Cradles. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode when it comes out. And please, if you learned something and enjoyed the presentation, click that like button and leave a comment. Anyways, that means this video is nearing the end. Stay safe, stay present, and I'll see you in part 2.
I just wanna be free, yeah, chase that. I just wanna be free, yeah, chase that.